interesting. The new version is the HSD, right? Which we're excited about.
Which you were asking about 12 months in advance.
Yeah, we had that discussion. And so tell me about it. Give me the rundown. Why is it exciting? What makes it different?
So the HSD is a different customer. You know, the HSD, we're really thinking about, okay, somebody walks into a bike shop and they say, hey, I want an e-bike. And just for me, I want an e-bike to ride around the city, weekends for exercise. And really our thinking is, how could we build a better urban or city e-bike? Like, do you need to use the same frame geometry? Do you need the same size wheels? You know, what could you do to improve that e-bike? And so the HSD really is like, hey, you're running around in the city and sometimes you need to carry some shopping or a change of clothes, or sometimes it could be a baby. But if you only had one kid or no kids and just you want to carry stuff around, or occasionally a friend, what could that bicycle look like? And so we wanted to shrink it. We wanted it lighter. So if all you need is a single occupancy vehicle,
It's a great option.
HSD is it's a good option.
Cool. I never did an intro.
Yeah, we should maybe just do an intro just with the you know.
Should I do the normal intro?
Yeah, just say I'm
I'm Tern at the new wheel. Okay. At Eurobike. Hi, I'm Karin Wiener at. Oh, sorry.